Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to a new video with Yoga and Devani. So without further ado, let's get into it. Yes, I was being inactive for 3 months on YouTube. Sorry for that, guys, and I really mean this sorry. Somewhere even I was not feeling good for being inactive for this much time. Now, yes, guys, I'm promising you that hereafter I will never be this much inactive on YouTube again. So yes, guys, now I have came up with my skincare routine. I have never shared my skincare routine with you guys, and I really wanted to share it before, but it's the right time to share. As you guys can see that I have tried on my face that skincare routine, and I loved it. I can say I seriously loving that skincare, and that type of a skincare takes really less time. The people who are busy in their life and don't have much time for themselves can try this skincare and thank me after that. Before recommending you those products, I wanted to say you this, that I really have a dry skin, and sometimes my skin act as a combinational skin, and sometimes it's become really normal. As per the seasons changes in India, I can say in winters my skin becomes so much dry, and in summers I can say some part of my skin becomes oily. I'm not at all suggesting this skincare products for oily skin people. Those who have a oily skin people, please check my further video which is on my YouTube. This skincare products are not for you. I'm not recommending you this. As is your choice. So the people who have skin like me, dry, combinational, and normal skin. So let's move further. I wanted to share with you guys something that दिस प्रोडक्ट्स डिड अलॉट फॉर मी. जैसे कि आप सब देख सकते हो, मेरा स्किन बहुत सही लग रहा है अभी, टच वुड. Before 45 days before, yes, I can say 45 days before, I was having those products with me, but मुझे इतना ट्रस्ट नहीं था उन पे करके कि करेंगे काम कि नहीं, एंड आई नेवर यूज टू अप्लाई दैट regularly. I was very irregular person with those products. But when 2000 at 2023 I bought these products from Nika, and at 1st of January I was like कि अब तो करना ही है भाई, अब तो मेरे को ये प्रोडक्ट्स रोज लगाने ही है. तो मैंने वही एक रिजोल्यूशन ले लिया कि आई विल डू माई स्किन केयर डेली. अब बिना स्किन केयर के मैं सोऊंगी ही नहीं, या मैं बिना स्किन केयर के मैं मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड से बात ही नहीं करूँगी करके. I took a pledge, something like that. So after that, I went for this skincare daily, and you can see I'm really without makeup. आप बोलो तो मैं मुंह धोकर दिखा देती हूँ आप लोगों को, बट इतना भी करने की गरज नहीं है. I know you guys trust me. So first thing which I wanted to share with you guys is this hyaluronic acid from Minimalist, which I am applying from 1st of January 2024. So this so I am applying this before leaving for a college or before going to the bed. Yes, if you want a skin like me, you have to add hyaluronic acid to your skincare. So after applying hyaluronic acid, I applied niacinamide acid again from a minimalist. Yes, I apply this as I apply hyaluronic acid. This is of 0.5%. Before this, I finished one bottle of 2%. So after applying niacinamide acid, I go for face serum, which is from M Caffeine Vitamin C face serum. As you guys can see, it's again great product, but I don't apply it in the morning. I just applied in a night before going to bed. After applying niacinamide acid in the morning, I go for sunscreen from Dermaco. As you guys can see, I apply this sunscreen. So you should not be confused in sunscreen. Sunscreen should be in this much. amount, you should apply this much amount of sunscreen on your face. You should never ever do conjuicy in applying sunscreen. So it's not like you should apply sunscreen when it's it's summers and not in a winters. Yes, but you should apply sunscreen on like daily basis. Even I am a person who applies sunscreen when I am moving out in winters, in summers, in rainy season. Even I apply sunscreen. Sunscreen is my favorite product, I can say. आपको दिखाने के लिए क्वांटिटी निकाली थी, अभी मेरे को मेरे फेस पे चेपनी पड़ी. So no worries. So as you guys can see, this sunscreen is not like white हो जाता है ना sunscreen. Many people do complain that I was used to having those sunscreen which used to leave white patches on my face, but after switching to Damaco, I'm like no going back from this sunscreen. So that's it. Yes, last not the least, you should always go for good type of lip balms. This is from Blue Heaven. I bought it from Nika. This I really love this lip balm. This is not that much. I can say this is not that much visible. आपने सब कुछ फॉलो कर लिया स्किन केयर का, बट इफ़ यू आर नॉट applying anything on your lips, then again it's really thumbs down. Yes, lips किसको पसंद है यार फटे हुए होठ लेके जाना बाहर, सही है ना. So you should go for any lip balm. I'm not just recommending this, but personally I like this lip balm, so I shared with you that I do apply this lip balm. It's cost something around 100 rupees, I can say. I bought it from Nika. It's of Blue Heaven. Yes, guys. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like my skincare, and people who want to buy these products, I buy all of these products from Nika. Those are available on Amazon. I think yes, those are available on Amazon either. So do check out these products and let me know in the comment box if you are using one of these products and what are your experience with these products. Do comment down below which of these products you like the most, and if you want to use these products, do buy from Nika. I will give you a big thumbs up for all these products. I use it very oftenly, so I do know about these products. I'm not like it's not a sponsor video to fake like कुछ फेक बताने के लिए या कुछ झूठा बताने के लिए. It's not a sponsor video, right? So I have bought those products from Nika and I applied it to my skin. My experience was really good with this product, so I recommended you. And do trust me, guys. Do be with me as you supported me before, and do support me now. And yes, thanks for watching my video. Bye.